I've been making my own compost for 5 or 6 years now, and I still get excited when I see it breaking down. And this is almost broke down. There's a lot of loose stuff here on the top, but when you dig down, this is turning into just soil. I don't know if the camera is going to show it well, but this is just breaking down really good. It's made mostly from grass. There are some leaves that I have thrown in here, a little bit of straw from the goat barn. If you have a means of collecting your grass clippings and just, creating a pile, add some shredded cardboard or any kind of, brown paper material, some kitchen scraps, and that is what I fill my garden boxes with. During the summer, when it gets really hot, it only takes a few weeks of letting it sit and me turning it with the tractor a couple of times a week, and within 3 to 4 weeks, because the hotter it gets, the more it kind of bakes and cooks and breaks down. And I haven't bought soil in many years. Last year, I did buy a small truckload from a friend because I needed some to top off the boxes out front, and my pile of soil wasn't ready. So I have bought a little soil here and there, but mostly everything in my garden comes from soil that I made right back here. This is beautiful homemade compost made from grass clippings and vegetable scraps and cardboard shreds. Beautiful, soft and fluffy, going in the garden bed. Absolutely beautiful.